Alright, this is how to play Love and Deepspace on PC fast and easy. First, look up Bluestacks in your preferred search engine and head to the first result that leads to Bluestacks, or just go to bluestacks.com. This software is an Android emulator that lets you play mobile games on your Windows PC with support for mouse, keyboard, and even controller input. Then, don't click the main download button. Instead, use the search bar to look for Love and Deepspace. There it is. Click it and then hit the blue play button to download it. This download is an optimized Bluestacks client that auto-installs the emulator along with the game, already configured for best performance on that title. Next, locate the downloaded installation file and launch it. Here you can change the install path if needed. Otherwise, just click Install Now. To continue, you'll need to agree to the terms of use. After that, it will start downloading and installing automatically. Once it finishes installing, give it a moment to load everything up. It might open a couple of setup windows. Just let them run. When prompted, click Install from Google Play to install Love and Deepspace. Then agree to the privacy policy to continue. Now sign in with your Google account to proceed with the installation. If you get the message your device isn't compatible with this version, don't worry, that can happen. Just go back one step and search for Love and Deepspace again in the Play Store. There it is. Go ahead and click Install. This will take a while since the initial installation is almost 3 gigabytes. Once it finishes downloading and installing, press play to launch the game. Next, Bluestacks will show you some useful instructions. You can toggle full screen with F11 or by clicking the full screen icon. Just click Continue. It then shows where to configure your controls. Click Continue again. You're almost there, but not quite yet. Accept the user agreement to proceed. Now you'll need to wait a bit. The game has to download about 14 gigabytes of additional data. This will take a while, depending on your internet speed, so hang tight. Alright, once that's done, you'll be asked to log into your Google account again, and you're in. Have fun exploring Love and Deepspace right on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.